Let's talk about the so-called ideal gambling strategy, the Martingale strategy, which comes from a family of fair games. A trick that sounds unbeatable until you do the math. Here's how it works. You start by betting $1. If you lose, double it to 2. Lose again, bet 4. You keep doubling until you finally win once. Sum it all up and you will see it. The win earns back all previous losses and gives you a profit of exactly $1. On paper, it's flawless. Sooner or later, you're bound to win a round, and you'll always walk away ahead. But here's the catch. You need infinite money since it's multiplying using the powers of 2. After 10 straight losses, your next bet is $1,024. After 20, it's over a million. In the real world, you'll hit table limits or go broke long before you get that guaranteed win. So yes, the Martingale guarantees profit only for gamblers with infinite wealth and no limits. For everyone else, it is a fast road to financial ruin disguised as logic. It is the perfect example of how math without constraints can lie to you rather beautifully.